हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग लेके आए हैं क्लास 9 के अनदर चैप्टर ऑफ मोमेंट्स, द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड। किसका बच्चा खो गया भाई? अरे यहाँ पे बच्चा पड़ा हुआ है, किसका बच्चा खो गया? नहीं, ये हिंदी में अगर बोलेंगे, इफ़ वी टेल इन हिंदी लॉस्ट चाइल्ड, तो इसका क्या होगा? किसका बच्चा खो गया है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 8 में तो तुम लोग जो भी सीखे होंगे, मुझे अब तक पता है कि किताब वगैरह सब या तो अगरबत्ती लगा रहे होंगे, नहीं तो किसी को बेच के उसमें बतासा पी लिए होंगे। कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी होंगे जो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, किताब को सजा के रखते हैं। सजा के रखो। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे विथ अभिजीत सर क्लास एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज लॉस्ट चाइल्ड। कोई खो गया है क्या? कैसे खो गया? नाउ वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द टाइटल लॉस्ट चाइल्ड। और इसमें लिखे है, देखो, इट हैज़ बिन रिटन बाय द पर्सन मूलक राज आनंद। कोई काम धाम नहीं था, दिन भर पेन पेपर लेके बैठे रहते थे, ऐसे लिखते थे। नहीं बेटा, ही इज़ अ गुड राइटर, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग। सो टुडेज चैप्टर इज द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड। नाउ हु लॉस्ट? हु लॉस्ट? वेयर डिड ही लॉस्ट? How did he lost? Was he going to some place or he was lost from his house? To get the answer of all these questions, we have to know this chapter. So first question I asked you, that is who lost. Here पे the first question is who lost. So one little child who was going to fair, who lost? One little child who was going to fair, going to where? Going to fair. With whom? With his parents. Okay, now fair means mela. That means, not just imagine, mela means full of enjoyment, so many kind of delicious foods, so many rides, so many things to buy. मेले का मतलब भाई जो भी बोलो भाई, मेले का मतलब होता है, मेरे मुंह से पानी आ जाता है। सो इट मे बी हैपन विद दिस बॉय ऑल्सो। कितना मिस करता हूँ मेला, वो गांव का मेला, सब जाएंगे एक साथ आनंद करते करते, नाचते नाचते। पापा पैसा नहीं देते हैं तो गुस्सा करके दिन भर कुछ नहीं खाना खाएंगे, पैसा दो नहीं तो नहीं खाना नहीं खाएंगे। फिर कुछ मिलता है, कितना मिलता था? 2 रुपये 5 रुपये, उसी को लेके चल देते हैं। सो द बॉय वॉज गोइंग टू फेयर विद हिज पेरेंट्स। अच्छी बात है, पेरेंट्स के साथ गया तो पैसा का ज़रूरत नहीं है, पापा मम्मी पैसा देते रहेंगे, हम कुछ भी खरीदते रहेंगे। ओके, नाउ इन दिस स्टोरी, इनके जो पापा थे ना, पापा थे थोड़ा खड़ूस टाइप के थे। कैसे थे? खड़ूस टाइप के, बिल्कुल 18th सेंचुरी के जैसे। हाउ व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? दिस काइंड ऑफ। ओके, बट नो, all our parents are very good. So thus in this chapter the boy was going to fair with his parents. It was a village fair, all the people were going to that fair. So at that time there was no other conveyance, car, bike, cycle, nothing was there. So people went either by riding on elephant back or horse back, on human being shoulder, or by 11 number। 11 नंबर मतलब पैदल बेटा, पैदल। 11 नंबर गाड़ी का नंबर याद रखना, 11 नंबर गाड़ी भी होता है, मतलब पैदल चलना। यस, सो बॉय वॉज वेरी मच फुल ऑफ enthusiasm, full of enjoyment, happy. So they are going to the fair and little boy, he was running between his parents' leg, because his parents were moving very walking very fast and he was a little boy, so he was running. And most of the times he was left behind, he was lagged behind, पीछे रह जा रहा था, because he was attracted by so many things. At first he was attracted by toys that lined in the shops on the road. रोड के बगल में जो शॉप्स थे, बहुत सारे टॉयज। आफ्टर वॉचिंग द टॉयज he became, or he got a desire, he yearned to get the toy. He told his father, but he knew it very well, his father was looking at him angrily, and he understood, then my father will not give me anything. बट मैं अगर होता ना बेटा, बच्चे थोड़ा बेवकूफ़ थे, मैं अगर होता तो वहाँ पे ही लेट जाता, मैं वहाँ पे लेट जाता, रोता रहता जब तक ना पैसा दे, अगर उसके बाद भी अगर ना देते ना तो दुकान से लेके भाग जाता, तो पापा को पैसा देना ही पड़ता। Forget about it. I was very much naughty, but not this boy was very good. He did not say anything. He started moving on. Then he was once again attracted by the flowering mustard field, so many butterflies. He tried to catch the butterflies. So once again he lagged behind. Then his parents, after some time, they reached to a pond, and near the pond there was a banyan tree and there was a well. His parents were resting there. He was moving around this. Okay. Then at the evening time they reached near the fair, and when he entered the fair, he looked that it was so many crowds are there who are moving there, pushing one another, so many din and bustle, and in one corner he looked that pani aa gaya beta muh mein, one sweet meat seller was selling so many sweets, rasgulla, kitne din nahi khaya beta. And the boy, he was having favorite, uska favorite kya tha pata hai? Barfi. He likes the sweet barfi. He was yearning that I should take that barfi. He asked his father, but his father did not respond. So he moved on. Then he reached to a flower seller who was selling so many beautiful flowers, garland. But he knew it very well, his father will not buy it for him. Then he reached to a person who was playing, a juggler was playing one flute, बीन बजा रहे थे एक सांप के साथ, coiling snake के साथ. Then he noticed that his father was looking at him, and he noticed that his father will say, this music is very coarse for your ears, so don't listen to it, go. Then he was attracted by a balloon seller. He was selling so many multicolored balloons. He wanted to possess them all. This time he can't stop himself. He told, but his mother knew that his father will not buy anything for him. बहुत खरूस इंसान है भाई, क्यों मेले में लेके से घर में बैठा रहता, बढ़िया पबजी खेलता, सॉरी पबजी नहीं खेल पाते उस समय, मोबाइल नहीं था, ओके सॉरी. सो his mother told him, look beta, look what is in front of you. Now he then looked at the merry-go-round, roundabout, झोला झूलने में है ना. Then he having the great desire how the merry-go-round is, it is moving in full swing, people on riding on merry-go-round, they are striking, shouting loudly, and he had a great desire. This time he could not suppress his desire. He told father, I want to ride on the merry-go-round. Second time he did not get any reply, so he looked behind. When he looked behind, there was no sign of his parents, no sign of his parents. Now his heart started beating as he as huge warm, he was started sweating. He was feeling very much hot because in tension his face became reddish and all his dresses become wet due to his perspiration. He started finding out his parents. He was roaming, he was started running from here and there, from one side then one side, every direction he was running to find out his father and mother, but there was no sign of them. Then he thought that his parents will be inside the temple, so he went near the temple, and there the people were jostling with each other, all were pushing each other as if people will just kill one another. But he tried to go inside the temple, he tried to make the way inside the legs of the people, but somehow people were pushing him and he was just going to left underfoot. He was going to smashed by people. Suddenly inside of those very much people who are trying to push one another, one good man, he noticed, and somehow in a very difficult condition he picked up the boy on his arms. The boy was crying loudly, I want my mother, I want my father. Listen, just think about it. इतने लोग जाते हैं मंदिर में, भीड़, लोग पहले जाने का कोशिश करते हैं, भगवान के पास पहले पहुंचूंगा. भाई भगवान का दर्शन करने जा रहे हो, नरक का नहीं. उसमें लोगों को, एक बच्चे गिर गए पैर के नीचे, सोचो उसके ऊपर लोग चल रहा है, बिल्कुल भी किसी को ध्यान नहीं है. गॉड नोज एवरीथिंग बेटा, जो भी पाप करोगे भगवान के पास कोई छुपा ही नहीं रहता है. द गुड पर्सन, he picked up the boy and he just cleared the way to an empty place. The boy was crying bitterly. Then the man told, beta, what happened? Who are you? From where are you coming? Who is your parents? How did you come here? The boy did not listen anything. He was just crying, I want my mother, I want my father. Then what happened? At first the boy was requesting his parents, no, to buy sweets, toys, balloons, roundabout, to riding on roundabout. The man also thought maybe the little boy, he will be attracted by those things and he will be consoled, शांत हो जाएंगे, चुप हो जाएंगे. So he took the boy near the roundabout. Beta, do you want to ride on the roundabout? Now he just put his heads behind because क्योंकि उसे अभी राउंड अबाउट बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, जो चीज़ उसे पहले पसंद था, वॉट एवर ही वॉज लाइकिंग बिफोर, नाउ ही डिसलाइक दोज थिंग्स एंड what he was just crying, I want my father, I want my mother. Then what happened? It is the question. At first the child was asking everything from his parents, but now when the man was giving him, but he was refusing. The reason behind it, he liked much more his parents than those attractions. Although his father refused every time to give him everything, but the boy was loving. He loved his parents very much, so he refused to take everything, and the chapter ends here. You will not, I know that you can't fulfill your desire to know the complete story of the chapter. You have to read the chapter and find out the word meanings and tell me which part you are having doubts. I will definitely explain. So till now, thank you and have a nice day.